Greetings from the apocalypse. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to clean up and finish a cabochon setting so that you have no gaps between the stone and the bezel.
Non-stop videos. Okay, so Beth has done a lovely job and she brought it over to me triumphantly. But I don't think she's 1,000% finished yet. And what I was saying is what I do when I'm examining a setting, like am I done? You know, is I take it and basically I catch the light and then I slowly rotate all the way around, and because I'm looking for that tiny little gap between the stone and the bezel.
There's major gaps when you rotate.
Yep.
That you don't see without
If
a
you
rotate.
look straight down, you may not see it. So I take it, I tilt, like I said, it's hard to explain the catch the light, but you know what I mean? You get that reflection there and then you just rotate. And as it follows around, you'll see whether there's space between the stone.
See, I see like a dark gap.
It's a gap. It's a gap, baby.
Oh, so you're because you said it a light.
It's not that there's light inside it. What I'm saying is, if I take this and get the light to hit the edge of the bezel, you can see what's right next to it better.
Like the shadow of almost.
Yes.
Yep.
I'm sorry if I'm not explaining this adequately enough. But you have to get it at an angle and then rotate it around so that because what I'm trying to do is get like a straight sight line along the stone. Do I hit bezel when I follow that? Or do I see then a little gap between the stone and the bezel?
Perfect.
Okay?
Yeah.
I don't know if that explained it well enough. I hope it did. But basically, this looks fantastic. We just need to do a little bit more.
I'm on it.
All right?
Yes.
All right. So you see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I mean, it looks great.
It's beautiful.
I mean, it stopped wiggling long ago because so it loosened up a little bit.
Now just step on it.
Yes,
Okay?
action shot.
I think that now's when we call
Hold
it.
on.
I like how it stopped
hold on.
wiggling long ago, and like
And then
It jumped out.
it wiggled right out of the way.
there we go. I'm getting it back nice and tight in here.
Meanwhile,
Okay.
the whole ring is going to squish now.
So what I was saying was this stopped wiggling long ago because of that nice slope.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? When your stone is really tight up, straight up and down, you can set and set and set, and it takes a while to really get it. When you have a slope more like this, it catches it quickly. But we still want to fill in those spaces. Okay?
Yeah. Thank you.
There you go.
This ring is
So I like showing the stages in setting. This is, I'm trying to get a good focus. Oh, look, there it is. Show me love. So it's looking absolutely fantastic. We're gonna do a hair more, I think right over in here, maybe to smooth it a tiny bit, and then we're gonna go to polishing because this looks really
fantastico.
fantastico is a perfect way to describe it. Hold it up decoratively. Do my best Vanna White. So I think this is done now. It's really tight up against the stone. It looks really, really good. I took it in, I rotated it, I glared at it at every angle that I could possibly find, and it's good. I think it looks good. Okay? I mean, just, so the only thing left to do, even though we do have a beautiful finish, is I think, you know, usually I just do a little bit of polishing at the end. You know, we'll use a little Swifty wheel on the top just to smooth it out. Once we're all happy with that, then we'll get rid of our jet set, and we can have Beth take a triumphant spin around the room. Woohoo! All right, now we're talking extreme close-up. I mean, take a look at that setting. That looks fantastic. So all it needs is polishing. You see what I mean? Like, we really don't see any gaps. Looks very, very good. Actually, Beth, come over and look over my shoulder. Take a look at this.
Oh wow. Oh wow.
Look, man, we're not fooling.
It's tight.
Yep, that's tight, baby.
Now,
All right.
here's my question. How do you see how it's kind of rough around the stone? Will that come out with the polishing?
That will come out with the polishing. And you have to remember what you're looking at here is like so magnified that's practically not visible to human eye. But that is actually what you're polishing away when you polish.
All right.
So,
At the 50.
exactly.
Yeah.
Okay? All right. Kidding me?
So good.
So good.
So good.
Look at how good that looks. Of course, I selfishly put it on myself instead of having Beth try it on. But
okay,
that's
you got
just
nail polish.
that's
You got the Manny, I don't.
it's just a vision, you know, of how selfish I am. But you know what I mean? Like, come on, look at that.
So nice.
And then I also am gonna take a macro shot of how beautifully you cleaned up that
Another
place.
center. And the like downstairs.
Yeah. Shots too of this, because this is like just too gorgeous.